Namaste and welcome to the next episode of Clinical Ayurveda. Myself, Dr. Mayuresh Agte. We were discussing Shula Prashavana Karma, and in relation to that discussion, I have asked you two questions. One was whether physiotherapy has been mentioned in Ayurveda, and we saw that in the Shaman Chikitsa, the Vyayam comes under the physiotherapy. Next question I asked that Shul Lakshan is because of Vata dosh and which guna of Vata dosh are responsible for creating this Shul Lakshan. And we discussed that Shita and Ruksha are the two guna of Vata dosh which are responsible for the Shula Lakshan. In that relation, I asked you another question that Shita Guna is of Vata dosh and Shita Guna is of Kapha dosh also. And what is the difference between these two? Means difference between Shita Guna of Vata dosh and Shita Guna of Kapha dosh. We will discuss this matter or this subject in today's episode. Now, always remember when we are learning Ayurveda, always remember or keep at the back of mind the rule Pindite Brahmandi. Whatever there is in nature occurs in our body also. So, let us observe some phenomenon in the nature. When there is a summer season, hot season, then the winds which come from the sea are of always having warmth in it. They are of warm in nature. When there is a cold season, the wind flowing is of cold in nature. Understand? So when wind remains the same, but it properties it is carrying with the itself change according to the surrounding environment. So in hot season we experience hot winds flowing. In cold season we experience cold waves. Now in Ayurveda there is a one shlok. There are two lines. The first line is homework for you. Second line I will mention for you. Yogavahi Param Vayu Sanyogat Ubhayarthaku. It means it is Yogavahi, it is catalyst and it carries the properties of others. When there is Ushna property in the environment or in our body, when there is Pitta, it carries that Ushna Guna, and when there is Kapha dosh along with Vata dosh, it carries the Shita Guna of Kapha dosh because Vayu himself is Anushnashit, it is neutral and it is Yogavahi. So, as it is neutral, as it is Anushnashit, it will carry and it is catalyst. So, with Pitta or in the environment with the hot season, in the hot season, it will carry hot or Ushna Guna with himself. In the cold season, it will carry the Shita Guna. By nature, it is again the Vata or wind in the nature or Vata dosh in our body is Anushnashit. Homework for you, the first line of that shloka, you should go and refer in the books. So, Vata is actually Anushnashit, but as we experience in nature. Kapha dosh is of Prithvi and Jala, both are Shita Guna Mahavutas. So naturally, Shita Guna of Kapha dosh is justified. If Vata or wind is Anushnashit, then in the properties of Vata dosh, why it is mentioned that it is of Shita Guna? Now, this was my question. What is the difference between them, Shita Guna of Vata dosh and Kapha dosh? Vata dosh is Anushnashit. It has still it has been mentioned that it has got Shita Guna. Why is the question? Now the answer is Upashya Anushya. Though it is Anushna Shit, Vatadosh Prakop, or it increases with in the cold weather, with the cold food, and Vata Vyadhi aggravates in by the cold or Shita Guna. And when there is Ushna Guna, even for example Ushna Dravyas in as a medication, or even hot fermentation as a sweater, it is seen that there is decrease in the Vata Dosh Vyadhi. So, though Vata Dosh is actually Anushna Shit, but by Upashaya Anushaya, we can realize, we can experience clinically that Shita Guna aggravates Vata disease or Lakshana of Vata Dosh, and Ushna Guna decreases Lakshana of Vata Dosh or Vata Vyadhi. Hence, Shita Guna of Kapha Dosh is proper Shita Guna, and we have to assume Vata Dosh as a Shita Guna clinically, and we have to use Ushna Guna Dravyas or Ushna Guna in the treatment of Vata Dosh. So, here is the answer. Vata Dosh is Anushna in nature, but clinically Ushna Gun gives good results in Vata Vyadhi. Hence, we have in Ayurveda, they have incorporated Shita Guna in the list of Vata Dosh properties. Now, always remember, when we say Vata Dosh properties, Kapha Dosh properties or gunas, always remember that each guna has a different quality, and it has got different role in the samprapti of Vyadhis. So, when we utter a word that it is a Vataja Vyadhi, it is not sufficient. You have to pinpoint which guna is increased, and you have to give the treatment of opposite guna. I have mentioned this in last episode. I am just reminding you. When we will discuss different diseases, we will discuss these points also as a Vikalpa Samprapti or Amshasha Kalpana, and we will discuss which exactly guna of that dosha is to be keenly observed. I know we are discussing the karma, but I said in the first few episodes that we are learning or discussing Ayurveda as a whole, and we are not making compartments, because as physiology is different, Nidan is different, Dravya is different, because all they are interlinked to each other. Hence, this episode we discussed was regarding the Sharirik Kriya or physiology, which we learned in the first month of Ayurveda, and this was a basic question which many students have there in mind. Hence, I took this topic in the course of our discussion. In next episode, we will discuss some another topic. Till that, your homework, I have mentioned the second line, Yogavahi Paramvayu Sanyogat Vyartakrut. Go to the text and see the first line of this shlok, and this is homework for you. Thank you very much.